I just got my Apple Watch Ultra 2 in the mail today and I am really excited. In this video, we will go ahead and do a quick unboxing and I will tell you about my first impressions on this device. Hi, I'm Dana and welcome to TKF Media. In this channel, we talk about creating an Apple ecosystem and tech lifestyle. Let's get to it.
It's really incredible, I'm not gonna lie. This feels really good. Feels really heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Like really heavy. This is smaller than I thought actually. But this cable feels really good. It's like braided like the MacBook one. Yeah, feels really good. Yeah. This is definitely smaller than the regular or like the old, watch chargers. I like it. Okay, let's take this off.
Some of you may know the Apple Watch Ultra 2 only comes in one size, which is 49mm. This case is made of 95% recycled titanium, and I think at first I was really worried about the feel of it and how it was gonna look, but to be honest, this device really feels like a high-end piece of tech. It does feel really amazing, and I never got to use the previous Apple Watch Ultra. However, this feels really well built. This Apple Watch Ultra 2 does weigh 61.4 grams and it is a really heavy watch, especially compared with other watches, but it is something that you definitely get used to. Talk about this band. Originally, this ocean band was not one of my options. I wanted to go with one of the carbon neutral ones. However, in my stores nearby, they didn't have it and I had to wait a long time for it. So I decided to just go ahead and roll with this guy. And I am surprised on how great it feels. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with this built-in quality, and I do know that as soon as one of the carbon neutral options become available, I will grab one of those, but I'm really happy with what I got. Oh well, I really hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing part of the video, and I would like to share with you a couple of thoughts I have about this Apple Watch Ultra 2. The first thing is the box. Honestly, I feel like this box is amazing, this packaging is amazing, and even though it looks like it was made with recycled materials, it still feels really great to touch, and it feels like they really pay attention to what they were doing, and I love that. I really love that they decided to include the booklet that they included on the previous Ultra. That booklet, I feel like, is one of the things that sets the Ultra apart from the other Apple Watch series or the SE, so I really love that. Other than that, I do like that they included that braided charging cable. It's amazing, no complaints about that. When it comes to the Apple Watch itself, to the watch itself, the case feels great, insanely well made. I love the way it feels, I love the way it looks. It is a little bit bigger than what I'm used to, but coming from an Apple Watch SE and also an SE second generation, this was definitely a big jump, a big upgrade for me. I always decided to go with the smaller screens and, you know, like the 41 millimeters, as small as you can go. But with this one, I decided that it was time for me to, you know, have the biggest and boldest out there. I will be dropping another video soon about, you know, my everyday life with it and whether if I got used to it or not, because it really is a big screen and it really is heavy, and I'm really worried that, you know, I might hit, you know, the watch with every little single thing, because it happens. I'm human and I'm always breaking stuff, so it be like that sometimes. But other than that, I am really happy. It looks amazing. I actually tried the double pinch and I'm still getting used to that though. I'm not sure if because my wrist is too small and the watch is too big. I don't know. I'm still getting the hang of it. So I will drop another video in the next couple of days where I'm talking a little bit more in depth about that, and when I talk a little bit more about, you know, whether or not this is a great choice for you, whether or not you should buy it. So keep an eye on that. Also, I will be doing an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 9. Don't miss it. As of right now, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, turn on the notifications, because I will be dropping a couple of more videos in the next couple of days or weeks talking about Apple Watch Ultra and the Apple Watch Series 9. Thanks for watching.